I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bored myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, step when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you can air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no stacking with you, you know.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am KashiaJabre, and today I will be installing and trying this wig from Wiggins Hair. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I really enjoyed putting this wig on. It was super easy. Everything came pretty much ready for me to put on, so I didn't have much trouble at all. Of course, y'all can see the hair is so freaking gorgeous, and I really don't have much to say other than I love this wig so much, and I am so excited to be bringing y'all this video. But if y'all want to go ahead and get into it, y'all know what y'all gotta do first. Y'all gotta go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. Now, y'all know it's always a good day when I get a Wiggins package. I am so excited. Like, I don't even care what's in this box. I already know it's gonna be good quality. And I'm sorry, you guys, if my voice sounds a little raspy, but I am like under the weather a little bit. I'm a little bit sick, but we still gonna get into this wig today. This is from Wiggins Hair, of course. Let's see what they sent this time. Okay, this is long. Okay, so this is 32 inches. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my God, I'm excited. Okay, so straight out of the package, this is ready to put on. Straight out of the package, as y'all can see, the lace is lacing. It's already pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so it is literally ready for me to put on. So I'm just gonna slap this on and see how it looks. But first, I'm about to change my wig cap out for a, should I change it? Or should I keep it? Let's see how it looks with this first. Okay, I'm about to put this on and let's see what it's giving. This thing is ready to be installed. Like, I don't feel like I need to do anything. Literally nothing. Let me make sure that the sizing is good. But I am very pleased. I know I was gonna be pleased anyway because, come on y'all, it's Wiggins. But this is just like, I don't have to do nothing. Nothing at all. I'm about to just cut out my ear tabs before we get to installing her. But all I'm gonna have to do is put a little makeup on the lace because it is just like a little bit lighter than my skin, like a tiny little bit lighter. So I am gonna apply some makeup, but other than that, y'all, she's ready to put on. So let's just go ahead and cut these ear tabs. So as y'all can see, my ears are free, and we can go ahead and start to work on this install. All right, so it is sizing great. Now lately I have been loving the widow's peak look, so I am gonna pluck away just a small little widow's peak area. And I also love that their wigs knots is always super small. If y'all don't know what knots are, it's when you can look on the lace and then you can see where the hair was looped through, and their knots are really super duper small, which gives you a super realistic hairline. They're pretty much invisible. So as y'all can see, I got a little widow's peak situation now. I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb the hair backwards before I start to install it, just to make sure everything is gonna be out of my way and push it back. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of hairspray. Okay, last but not least, I'm gonna just throw some makeup on this lace. I'm gonna put it on top and underneath the lace. All right, first things first, always before you install your wig, you wanna go ahead and clean your skin. I'm gonna be using some 70% alcohol, and I'm going to just rub this right over where the wig is gonna lay, just to make sure it's free of any oils, dirt, anything that could be left behind, makeup. You just want to make sure that it's just 100% clean. See, look at all that. Would have been mixed in with the glue. You don't want that. Today, to glue down my wig, I'm going to be using Bond Baby, and I'm going to only do one layer of this because it's not even hot outside no more, y'all. So I don't need to do like go crazy, just OD on the glue. So I'm only going to do probably like 1 to 2 layers. I'm going to spread the product out with a popsicle stick just to make sure everything is flat. But as always, you don't want to go in with your second layer, or you don't want to put down your wig. You don't want to do nothing until the glue is dry, clear. So always remember that. Alright, so I have my glue on. I'm going to just go ahead and let it dry for a couple of minutes before I lay the wig on top. And it's nice and spreaded, so it's going to dry super clear. Alright, so the glue is clear. I'm going to go ahead and just flip this wig back down. And I'm going to use a comb to just push the lace into the glue. Okay, so now that I have the wig down, I'm going to just let this set, but I'm going to go ahead and tie my elastic band just around it just to help press it in super good. Wiggins Hair sent me an elastic band, and I'm just going to use this to help me really put that lace into the glue. Then while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and start to flatten out this wig. I am gonna keep this unit in its natural state, so I'm not gonna be adding any curls or anything like that, but I do want to just flatten it out using my hot comb and a little bit of hairspray just to give it a more natural look. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the band off. It's been on for about 5 minutes now, and I'm gonna take it off and we can start to cut this lace. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm about to just take a little bit of this Eben adhesive spray and just tap this over my lace because I just need this to look really, really natural. As y'all can see, I did not do no crazy baby hairs. I kind of just want this to look like my hair. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, I don't even want too much, just a little, yeah. So, all right, so I gotta scoot back because this hair is like super long. So yeah, this hair is like really, really long. So I'm just going to put a little bit of mousse on the curls that has kind of frizzed up a little bit, and that's gonna be it because this hair is everything that it needs to be already. Like, I don't even want to do too much and it don't need all of that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of mousse or foam. This is the Lotta Body. And I'm just gonna use this to help with the frizz a little bit. And I really don't even want to comb through it. I'm just gonna like use my fingers and kind of do it that way. This is what the hair is looking like. I like how flowy and light it is. This hair is super light. Like you don't even feel it on your head. And it's a lot of hair, but it's still so light. Like I'm in love. This is giving like vacation hair. I love this so much. But I think the way that I'm gonna wear it today is gonna be behind my ears. I'm just gonna pull a little bit of hair out in the front and put it behind my ear. Yeah, I like that. All right, so this is what it's looking like behind my ears. I love it so freaking much. Like I wish y'all could get the full thing. Hold on, let me try to adjust my camera so I can show y'all like everything. So this is what she's giving. I'm gonna go put on a regular shirt so y'all can really get into it. All right, so you guys, I got on a regular shirt and now y'all can really see. I'm in love. Like I just feel like a princess in this hair. I feel like Rapunzel actually. Did y'all see this? Okay, so you guys, this pretty much concludes this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it because I did. I really love this wig. So thank you so much, Wiggins Hair, for sending me this and sponsoring this video. Of course, all of the details will be down below as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. But that is the end of this video and I really hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.